Welcome to Install Day. Out here at 2913 Vaux Lane, we are also going next door to 2915 Vaux Lane, side-by-side units. DMC Installers is our installer on this unit particularly. We have our laser level here showing that everything is going to be level and square. We are going to have stacker cabinets all the way to the ceiling. We will have floating shelves on either side of the hood. We are going to have what we call our wine rack built off of the wall 12 inches, so it matches our depth here to where our base cabinets will be. This color is very clean, unique, and also builds just kind of its own area. One thing that's cool about the island here on both houses is that we have what we call push to open doors. At this stage at the kickoff, we are here to check in on everything that was delivered. So everything should be super close to the kitchen or in the kitchen if it was able to be. Here, everything was staged. All of our cabinets come wrapped with cardboard on the front, bubble wrap, and foam wrap. Follow Tiger Cabinetry for more, and if you want to put a tiger in your kitchen, visit us at tigercabinetry.com to learn more.